Welcome to Commodity Analysis on Tuesday the 23rd of April 2013 and the free emini S&P recap. I just want to show you this large 240-minute chart. Here we can see the downsloping reaction line that we struggled to get through. Seemed to have made some progress, but I was beginning to get concerned. Let's just go into the 60-minute. Here's our down move, our correction, and here you can see we found support. And we seem to be making a break for it today, but I'm slightly suspicious. We've got some data ahead of us and some quite important levels we need to get through. We're trading 1562 on June. First of all, let's just have a look in the 240 minute. Let's just blow this up. Where are we going? Target number one is here. And in price and time, if we drop down to the 60 minute, we've got to be looking at this area here, which is 1570s. I don't trust it. I tell you why, because look at this move up. Let's look at it in the 5 minute. It's riddled with gaps. Now this is from my broker feed, but trust me, these gaps are important. This is not a solid move up. Although I think we may go higher. I think we may, there's another big gap there. These at some point will have to be filled, which means we're going to be coming down. If we fail to reach this, we have made a higher high in the last half an hour. We've taken out this area here at 1560. We may try and make a break for 1570 and then retrace quite sharply. Let's have a look at some of the other charts. Again, the same forks. You can see here this downsloping reaction line. Let's drop down to the 5 minutes so you can see that more. There's the breakthrough. That is the same line in this time frame. So you've got two different reactions. There you go. Touch and then a spike through. And if we go into this chart, which is even better, has everything, it shows you this downsloping thick reaction line and then a retouch and the rally. And if we look in the 5 minutes, some great, you can see there this reaction line from fork number 16, which is a local fork in the 60-minute time frame. Beautiful support on this line here from 17, fork number 17. Let's just superimpose that. Nice touch here, nice price distribution here, another touch here at the confluence of this grey. You can see this thick grey fork and up through, retouch. Again, that's the same line we just looked at in the other fork. And again, look for price to come back and fill this gap, as I think it's about to, ahead of the opening. Let's have a look at you can see, let's just have a look at these stocks as well. Stochastics in the 15 minute, this is the B line and these are the ribbons. And yesterday we had what looked like a falling set of ribbons, but it looks like we may have, if you can look at that carefully, don't look at the chart, look at these. In fact, let's just have a look, and I'm going to do a series on this B line, although we haven't got the Mackie D showing at the moment, and we haven't got the 2 times stochastics showing. This is just the B line and the ribbons, but it gives you a good idea of price, and we looks like we may have a bounce there. Let's go back to the 5 minute. We're stalking for a retracement. How far we're going to retrace? We may just rally straight up towards this, in this case, there you go, the maroon, purple, whatever colour that is, median line there. Let's have a look at one more. I wanted to show you this. This is in the, let's have a look at it in the 50 minute. The same, a cleaner chart showing you support, these rising reaction lines here. Again, they can't be moved. Every time they refresh the chart, they go back to where they originate from, and the pivots they're derived from. See the rising reaction line that supported price, the breakthrough here from this set, and now we've got and the gap. In fact, let's go down to the 5 minute and you'll see the gaps are normally very important because price gaps up through. You see that? There's a beautiful reaction line there. Not that there's an entry, but it's a good description of price, a good illustration of price. And it looks like we're breaking out and we're trying to get up towards this line here. Where is it? There we go. This grey line in this one. this Andrews fork. Here's the long-term reaction line chart showing again support from this band of thick brick red reaction lines and a break through this downsloping reaction line. We'll be back after the opening.